Drone captures Jaish terrorists hiding in building moments before Pulwama encounter. Video 3 Jaish-e-Mohammed Jem terrorists were captured on the drone camera, hiding in their hideout before being neutralized by the security forces at Tral in Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama district. The drone footage showed them taking shelter in an under-construction building, holding their weapons. CNN News 18 reveals exclusive visuals from Tral, Pulwama, pic.twitter.com 7xKAZDR5XP News 18 CNN News 18 May 15, 2025 3. Terrorists all linked to Jaish were gunned down in an encounter that broke out early this morning in Pulwama. The security forces had received inputs about the presence of terrorists. The terrorists were identified as Asif Ahmed Sheikh, Amir Nazir Wani, and Yawar Ahmed Butt, all of whom were associated with Pakistan-based terror outfit Jem, sources said. Inspector General of Police V.K. Birdy said that it is being investigated whether or not the slain terrorists played any role in the Pahalgam terror attack on April 22, in which 26 civilians were killed. Earlier today, the encounter started in the Tral area of Avantipora in Pulwama, which was the second encounter in JK in 3 days. It has only been 5 days since the understanding between India and Pakistan to halt military operations on the line of control and international border, and 2 encounters have taken place since then in the valley. On May 10, the day when the understanding was reached after Pakistan DGMO reached out to his Indian counterpart with the proposal, India had warned Pakistan that any more terrorist activities on Indian soil would be considered an act of war and an appropriate response would follow. Swipe left for next video. To avenge the Pahalgam terror attack, India launched Operation Sindoor on May 7 and killed over 100 terrorists and destroyed their headquarters and training centers deep inside Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Pakistan launched an offensive mission against India in response, sending drones and missiles to strike Indian cities and military installations. All such efforts were thwarted by the Indian air defense systems. In return, India launched strikes on Pakistani military bases and destroyed 11 air bases, inflicting major damage and causing embarrassment to Pakistan. Latest blogs